Salamat sa ako.
Happy Nurses Day! We love you!
Happy Nurses Day.
Hello, Happy Nurses Day. Thank you for your service.
Happy Nurses Day.
Happy Nursing Day. You are the best. Thank you very much. I'm the best.
Happy Nurses Day!
Happy Nurses Day!
Yeah, this is a good day, another life saved. Thank you for showing each day and being such a hero. Happy Nurses Day from Anesthesia Department to the KUH nursing staff.
Thank you very much, our outstanding staff nurses, for their continuous support and efforts to improve and help us to improve patients' care.
Thank you for everything you do. You are true hero, our nurses. Thank you so much.
Happy Nurses Day.
Many thanks for our nurses who are really the true soldiers in this institution. You are the best.
Our nurses, our future! Happy Nurses Day from Netherlands! Our nurses, our future! Happy Nurses Day from surgery! Hooray! Our nurses, our future! Happy Nurses Day from everyone! Our nurses, our future! Happy Nurses Day from emergency! Our nurses, our future! Happy Nurses Day from Oncology Center! Our nurses, our future! Happy Nurses Day from CCU! Our nurses, our future! Happy Nurses Day from labor and delivery! Our nurses, our future! Happy Nurses Day from support services!
Our nurses, our future. Happy Nurses Day from all departments.
Our nurses, our future! Happy Nurses Day from EAC1! Our nurses, our future! Happy Nurses Day from ambulatory! Happy Nurses Day! Yay!
On the occasion of this Nurses Day, I wish you all of the nurses a very happy Nurses Day. A very happy Nurses Day. Thank you for everything you do. You are a true hero. I love my all nurses in King of the Aziz and DM, especially, and my Dal.
Happy Nurse Day Happy Nurses Day.
I have no words to say to nurses because all words will be not reaching the situation what they are providing to us in the institution at the level of King Abdulaziz as well as at the level of KCMC. Nurses, they are heroes and they are doing a great job in serving our patients and in handling all tasks that has been assigned to them. They are doing it in a great way. It's Happy Nurses Day, and thank you so much for your all efforts and great achievements.
Happy Nurses Day.
Hello everyone, I am Ricky of Philippine Airlines. Well, I would like to greet you on your celebration of International Nurses Day, especially to all the healthcare professionals of King Saud University Medical City. Alam nyo, I owe a lot to you guys because I was one of your patients. I was confined during the time of the pandemic in your facility, and I believe I was able to survive it because of the care and the love that you have afforded to me during my confinement. You were the people who gave me hope. I could still hear the whispers of your voices in my ear telling me to hang on, that I get well, that my family is waiting for me. There are even people who stick get well notes in my mirror in the restroom, and so many people giving me hope during that time. It was a difficult time for me, and I'm sure for all of you as well. I know you were all tired during the time, you were all stressed out. But in spite of those circumstances, you are all out in being selfless and giving your care to your patients, especially to me during that time. So I'm here to thank all of you. You know, my heart is full of gratitude for all of you because I won't be here today without you guys. So as a token of my gratitude, I'll be giving away small tokens for you guys. I'll be giving away a round-trip ticket on business class for you, and some vouchers for extra baggage, and some corporate giveaways as well. I hope you enjoy this day. I hope you enjoy your celebration, and may you continue to be a vessel of love and care to all. Mabuhay po at maraming salamat. Shukran.